Okay, so we all know Mega Menu Pro is built to be super responsive, right? But it goes so much further than that. Today, we're going to build something that feels truly premium on mobile.
Yeah, you heard that right. In under 2 minutes, you can get a polished, modern, and stylish mobile menu that feels absolutely top tier. Let's see it in action. All right, first up, let's get that overlay header activated. This is what's going to give us that floating, app-like feel right from the start. To do this, we just need to find our main header pro element. That's our target. Now you just set one attribute, data-overlay-header-mobile, to true. And just like that, you get this incredible floating overlay header. It's an instant, powerful transformation.
So with the overlay header in place, it's time to create the menu itself, a smooth, morphing menu that slides down beautifully.
For this part, we're going to be working on the nav native element. And again, it's super simple. You set data slide in direction to top, and then you set data match overlay header width to true. That's it. And the result of those two little changes? You get this smooth, morphing slide-down menu that expands so naturally when you open the submenus. It just feels right.
We're almost done. For an even cleaner interaction, we can add one final touch that really polishes the user experience. You just set Data Submenu Reveal to expand. This small tweak makes a huge difference in how clean the interaction feels. And there you have it. Done. A sophisticated premium mobile menu in what, a few clicks? Pretty incredible.
I mean, that's the whole point, isn't it? The result is this sleek, modern mobile menu that you built in just minutes, not hours of custom coding.
So I really encourage you to explore Mega Menu Pro yourself. Go out and build something truly impressive with it.
The tools are right there, ready for you. The only question left is, what are you going to build?